Best day for a hillbilly to go out in sandy shores. Uh, sorry, Hong Kong Trevor's not feeling so well. Uh, well, you know what that means? Hong Kong Trevor, Hong Kong Trevor needs to go for a ride. No, not that junk. Yeah, that's the good stuff there. Well, let's get Sandy and Trevor to go for a nice ride. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you jealous of Sandy? Take this then. Oh, you weak motherfucker. Mm. Compton. No, this ain't Los Angeles. This is Sandy Shores. Sandy Shores. I couldn't say Compton. Yeah. Oh, is that the police? Well, oh, yeah, look at Sandy. She's beautiful, ain't she? Uh, hi, Betty. Bye, Betty. You know what's surprising? Her name's actually Betty in the game. So, yeah, let's go for a ride. We're going for a hillbilly ride because uh, Hong Kong Trevor is a hillbilly. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. Is it the West? South? Like they call it in the Americans? I don't know. All I know is I'm free, motherfuckers. Free. Woohoo! Free enough to touch my own balls. I remember in prison, I had to touch the other guy's balls. Let's get enough with this conversation. Otherwise, it's gonna be a display here. You fuck you. Fuck off. You fuck you. That was kind of weird. But woohoo! Oh, I'm alive. I'm alive. Let's run. I mean, let's ride. Oh, my sexy wheels. Check out them sexy off-road wheels. Some drift. Woo! Motherfucker. I don't need motherfucker. Da, 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 da. It's the motherfucking rebel. Hong Kong motherfuckers. Da, 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 da. It's your boy who likes to tear up the town. Woo! I'm the new sheriff here. You hear that, bitches? Woo! Oh, yeah. Whoa, you know, guys, doing this in video makes it more fun because I get to comment in it and like express my feelings in it. Sounds a bit weird, but woo! Yes, I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna make it. Woo! Yeah! Oh yes! Oh shit! Uh, Woo! You know, I remember when I first met Sandy. Well, she was Sandy, Sandy. Oh yeah, it says fucked up in Portuguese because this is Portuguese. Instead of saying wasted, well, it says fucked up. So yeah, it's kind of awkward right now, and yeah. Well, guys, we're back. Uh, well, there was a little accident with Sandy. She's well, she's dead, and but Sandy, we're not gonna miss her. But at least she sent her even more ugly ass cousin Millie. Millie, we're about to go for a ride, you ugly cunt. Cunt? Am I allowed to say cunt? Oh, screw it! Woohoo! Hey, yeah! Yeah, you're jealous, aren't you, bitch? Huh? Huh? Oh shit, I almost caught fire. Woo! Wee! Come on, Millie! Get us in memory of your ugly cousin! Wee! I mean, Sandy was beautiful, but, gross, look at her. Ah! Come on, please. I'm sorry, Millie. 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 Oh, screw it. I didn't even like you. Ah, the police. 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 Help. There's a police shooting at the police. Police shooting at the police. Please. Police, please. Oh, I like that. What? What the hell is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's an airplane. Wow, wow, I like this. I like this. I'm gonna name her Kubu. Oh, Kubu, look at Kubu. You know what how she is, guys? She's 10. Yeah, she's a human, guys. After the air, we fly. Wee, 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 wee. Ma, 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 ma. Bang it on, bang it on. Ah! Shit, 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 shit. Oh, 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 oh. That was close. That was so close. Oh my god, let's do. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. What's that? Is that an airplane? Oh, that's going too fast to be an airplane. Is that in the force or something? Oh, and none of our business. Oh, 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 oh. Woo! Yay, I'm lucky Chibi. Oh, 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 calm the fuck down, Chibi. Chibi's. Oh, 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 Chibi's having a bad day. Chibi, come on. Use your other testicle. Use your left testicle. Chibi. Oh, oh, she's using her right testicle to fly. Wow, she must be strong then. Chibi, do you lift weights? Because I have a few friends that lift weights. Like Jerry. Like last time Jerry, when I flew Jerry, well, he's kind of buff those days. And wow, like the stuff, like, oh, Chibi, you're going to be alright? Okay? Okay? I'll take you to the airport. I we're gonna crash, motherfucker. Oh, Kevin! I was joking! Can't you take a joke? Well, if this rains like that, it's gonna be a bit harder to fly. Like, that's that time that I saw a really weird man fly into the sky. Remember that joke in the 80s? A weird man started to fly in the sky? Well, I was that weird man flying into the sky. Now I'm here. Woo! We're going down. Woo! Ah! We're going down. Woohoo! Kibu! Wow, you lasted longer than the other ones. I don't really get. I just. What was that? Oh, okay. I get it now. What I just said. Oh, guys, we're gonna crash, all right? But we're not gonna crash. You get it? Really? Well, bad luck, bitches. Cause. Woohoo! Kiwi! Bye, Kiwi. Woo! Oh, that was a long flight. Long flight. Long flight. Long flight. Dun, dun, dun. What is love? Baby, please hurt me. Hurt me. You're dead. Ooh, dang! Ain't that a woman? Look at that sheriff. Hey, sheriff. How you doing? Oh, come on, man. Oh, oh, shit! You shot a gun. That's illegal, you know. Ow, 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 ow! That fucking hurt, guys. Ah, ow! Oh, oh no! It's the police! Fuck the police! Fuck the police! Fuck you! Fuck you! I'm a hillbilly, and I'll always be a motherfucking hillbilly. Woo! Let me get my hillbilly guns. Woo! Ain't that something? That's beautiful, ain't it? Woo! Woo! Ooh. This reminds me of the 80s. Every douchebag had a Tommy gun those times. Woo! But this is hillbillies now, bitch. Cheers. 2016. Well, in the game it's 13, but screw it. Woohoo! Woohoo! We're gonna escape. We can do it. We're gonna make it to the airport, to the air force, the airfield, whatever. It's just my crotch. My crotch. Woohoo! Bye. Bye. Have a beautiful time. Good morning, USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a terrible day. The rain in the sky has a smile on his dick, and he's shining a salute to the American face. Na 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 na. Oh boy, it's well to say, bad morning, USA. Bad morning, USA. I love you guys. I'm not gonna die. Not today. Maybe it could be today. Oh, gee, I had a shitty day. Yeah, that means I'm a real hillbilly. Ooh, yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. Sorry. Honk, Trevor, you mind doing the honors? Sure, okay for you. Sure, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, get your dick. Sorry, it's finger. Get your finger and stick around that like button. And please subscribe. Guys, I think we have learned a lesson. Do not judge a hillbilly. Do not judge Hong Kong Trevor. Because Hong Kong Trevor is the best damn hillbilly. That's correct. Bye.